Is how to use coupons on Temu. Now this is very simple. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the like button. Also, don't forget to check out our other tutorial videos and then also leave a like to them. So let's just start. So to use coupons on Temu, first open Temu. Now after you've opened Temu, what you need to do is first find your coupons. You can find your coupons on your You page, that is your profile. Now there you will see coupons and offers. Just click on it. I don't really have any coupons right now, so you won't be able to see any of them. But when you have your coupons, all you need to do is just copy the code that you have on your coupon. After you've copied it, back to your profile, then go to categories. Now there on the top, just paste your code, and after you paste your code, whatever comes up, you need to just buy that item by using that coupon, and that will offer you your discount or whatever the coupon is for. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you learned how to use coupons on Temu. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye.